One of the other things that I'm thrilled about with the exterior capture abilities of the Pro3 is now being able to connect two disconnected spaces. And we're sitting in my home in a renovation that I did up in the Catskills, and there is a detached barn. When I had my Pro2 camera here, I scanned this house and I scanned the barn. Well, after I upgraded to Pro3, now I've got an entire model for the entire property. And the ability to do that outdoor as well as indoor now with the Pro3 is just that, it's powerful. I've got a propane line running from my generator to my house. I've got electrical lines running from the pole to the house. I've got a propane line running from the house to the grill to the pool. So there's a bunch of trenches in my yard. I've got the electric wire that runs to the water pump, my well pump, because I'm not on city services up here. To be able to scan during the rough site work construction of it all and know where these trenches are, that you can then overlay with your finished lawn. You don't have to worry about, you know, having an excavator come back because you want to dig for a pool and hitting a propane line. Like, you don't want to do stuff like that.